Okay, so this is the last, the problem number 4, and we are to derive the volume of a sphere via integration. So we have this figure right here, and we have this part here as our dy, the radius of that from this line right here, the y-axis is x, and this is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we know that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 or 4/3 pi r cubed. That's the volume of a sphere. So the formula for volume in this case would be, it's actually circular, so we have to use pi. Pi, which pi times x squared, which is the radius of this, squared, that would be similar to pi r squared, that is the area of a circle, multiplied to its thickness. That would give us, if we have like this entire thickness right here, the volume of this sphere. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we can actually transform that to this form right here. X squared is equal to r squared minus y squared. So, but before that, actually, we have to know how do we get the volume of a sphere. So in this case, we can, from the limit of 0 to r, this is r, the radius. Imagine, so if we are to multiply this by 2, including the pi r squared or the pi x squared here, so that would be covering this entire portion right here from 0 to r. So if we have 2 of that, that would also cover the entire portion of here. So that is why this is the function for our volume, 2 pi limit of 0 to r x squared dy. So from the equation of the circle, as I said a while ago, it can also transform like this. So we can actually get the x here from the equation of the circle right here. So volume is equal to 2 pi, the same lower and upper limits, and now we transform x squared here to this form right here, r squared minus y squared dy. Now we can just actually directly integrate this, considering that r is a constant here. So if we're integrating in terms of y, that would have been added by y, and it was. And y here would be y cubed over 3, integrated from the limits 0 to r. So if we are to substitute this to the y's here, then we can get this, and the 0 as well, this. So that if we simplify this entire thing right here, it would leave us with 2r cubed over 3. Just by the process of simplifying it. It's actually algebra, that would be easy for us. And we now multiply 4 times 2 pi, that would be 4 pi r cubed over 3, and that would be the volume of the sphere.